Hey, yeah, yeah.
Wait a minute. She's supposed to be released from that nursing home, so she's got stuff she needs done. And then my brother's got a lot of car stuff there. And see, if Bradley goes, he can help me get all that stuff, because what was my brother's room years ago could be made into my mom's, like a suite for her. And then Mom's saying she doesn't have any like funeral type clothes, but we don't even know what's going to be going on. Yeah, I ran to Hardee's. I didn't run, I drove. So we went to Hardee's just to get out for a minute, and I told Justin I haven't even showered. I just